What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're going to show you how to assemble a skateboard. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this thing unwrapped out of the plastic. But this is what we're working with today. We're going to be putting on the grip tape onto the back. So first thing we're going to do here is get this thing taken out of the plastic. So there we go there. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to lay this down. We have our grip tape here. And get that loose. Okay. So then we're going to press this down onto the deck here. So this is just about the right size for this board. So we're going to make sure that we get this on here good because we don't have a lot of room for error with this. Alright, so first we're going to start with peeling off. I'm just going to stick one side first just to make sure we're good here. Make sure everything's going to line up properly. So you see, probably need to adjust this a little bit before we commit. Okay. So that leaves us with a little bit on the edge of both sides. A little bit here. I think that's that looks pretty good to me. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll this out. Get it nice and pressed on there. Alright, so now that we've got that set in place, we're going to press it down, make sure everything feels good. Yeah, this came out really good so far. Okay, then we're going to get our little file here. Alright, so we got our cut line in place. So then we're going to get a fresh blade. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut this thing at about a 45-degree angle. A little bit of a challenge to get that line nice and straight, but we're gonna keep going here until we're done. All right, that's as good as it's gonna get. So, not too bad for a first try at putting together skateboard. It actually doesn't look too bad. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get our screws. We're going to punch them through these holes so that we can get the holes coming through on the other side. Now here's a kit that I picked up off of Amazon. These are the trucks for the skateboard. Comes with the wheels and bearings as well. Here are the wheels. Here are the bearings. So that's what you're going to get through on this side. Just going to break the holes through. So we're going to do that to all 8 spots. And considering how this one came out and it kind of punctured it, I'm going to actually use a pick tool to help with that. So we're going to use this pick tool here. And we're just going to push it through the hole. Make a nice cleaner hole than having it cut up the grip tape. Nice clean hole. So then we're going to take our screws, we're going to insert them from the top down, and then get ready to install the trucks. Okay, and we're going to flip them over and get ready to install these guys right here. So we do have some optional risers that came with the kit. So if you want to install these, for the sake of this, we're going to go ahead. We're going to just install these on this particular setup here. Okay, then all that's left to do is to tighten these down right here. Alright, so now we get the appropriate tool here, and all we have to do is tighten these nuts in place. We're going to do a crisscross pattern for tightening. Alright, so now we are going to press the bearings into the wheels. So we're going to put those aside there. So here are our bearings. So we're going to put one down in there and go ahead, press the wheel into the bearing. There we go there. Put another one in. And we'll do that until all the bearings are set in place. Okay, with all those pressed in, put your washer on. Wheel, washer, and nut. So we tightened it down and we backed it out a little bit so we got some nice play in the wheel there. All right, and I think that completes the assembly of our skateboard. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for the products that I use to assemble this skateboard here. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. All right, it came out not too bad at all. Not too bad. It could be worse. Could be worse, but this is pretty good for a first time assembling a skate. So this is pretty good for a first time assembling a skateboard. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.